If you're looking for a relaxed lifestyle with excellent facilities on your doorstep, then this delightful two-bedroom property set here in Vilar do Golf within the renowned Quinta do Lago resort is just for you, and I'll show you why. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Follow me for a tour of this charming residence. This property offers the perfect balance of comfort and convenience with an easy flow throughout. The open-plan living and dining areas create a bright and welcoming space, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The fully fitted and equipped kitchen is both practical and stylish with everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, with a separate laundry area, it has added convenience. The property includes 2 well-proportioned bedrooms with built-in wardrobes, including 1 ensuite, providing that extra touch of privacy and comfort. And one of the highlights, this south-facing terrace with stunning views of the golf course, a perfect place for a morning coffee or an afternoon unwind. Living here means having access to fantastic resort facilities. Swimming pools including a heated pool, gym, sauna, squash courts, a medical center, restaurant, supermarket, and even special discounts on tennis and golf. Whether you're looking for a holiday retreat or an easy lock-up and leave investment, this property offers a superb lifestyle in the Algarve's most sought-after resorts. Check our website, reference 2346, to book a private tour. I'd be delighted to show you around. Thank you for watching.